All right, guys, we are back with another video, and look what we have here. We have a case for my new Apple Watch. Supcase sent this over. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Really nice, and finally got some protection on here. Obviously, the default band that I was using was the one that I came with it. It's a good band. I like this band, but I had some reserves about getting it on and off because of how big my fists are, getting it through little holes. So let's look around this band here. So on the top here, immediately you know this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro because you can see the branding there. And then if you flip over to this side here, more branding at Supcase there. And then you go to this side, more branding with Supcase right there. So with that aside, this case does come in different colors for your watch. This is the blue version here. Looking around the side here, you've got some carbon fiber faux looking material there. This is kind of a signature thing for their cases and things like that. You got the same thing on this side, and you can see the crown poking through. And then that same design element goes along this part of the band right here, which is, this band, might add, is really comfortable, by the way. It's got some texture and ridges and things like here on the inside to actually get it comfortable in your arm. You got a double clasp here, and then you have tons of holes all the way down to the edge of the watch. So depending on how big your arm is, you'll be able to get something in there. So putting this on is fairly simple. It doesn't need anything. It just kind of pops in place like that. And it stays put in there. You put the crown side in first, and you can see it literally snaps into place like that. So let's go ahead and put this on my arm. I wear this watch on this arm because I have the Pixel watch on the other arm, or depending on what phone I'm carrying a Samsung, I'll take that off and put on a Samsung watch to go with that device. But here it is right here in place. This is a very comfortable band. But one thing I noticed, and I don't know if you noticed it too, but this band came in flat. And every other band that I have from them is curved like this, and this is the orientation. So when it comes to wireless charging, it is just annoying to have it sitting. I mean, did anyone else notice this? Anyone else have different bands from them? I bought their band for the 4, and they sent over this one for the 5, and it still has this curve, and you really can't flatten this out. That's kind of annoying. But nonetheless, for the Apple Watch, it comes in flat. I was totally shocked by that. So anyway, link down below. They're all good watch bands, just so you know. But Supcase, I really do need you to start making all the bands flat like this, because all these watches have a wireless charger that you need to connect to. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.